Now, Shanae, we're going to go down through here, Shanae. Now, look, Shanae, I'm going to give you the microphone. You introduce each one of these lovely ladies, and let's get an applause.
All right. Thank you, Randy. What's your name, darling? Where are you from, sweetie?
Right here in Pinellas Park.
All right. Okay, hang on. We're going to get through everybody. What's your name, darling?
Austin.
Where are you from, sweetie?
Local St. Pete.
All right, we got St. Pete. Come here, darling. What's your name, honey?
Danielle.
Where you from?
Pinellas Park.
All right, hang on. Sorry. What's your name, darling?
It's Kelly. Pinellas Park.
All right. Oh, come here, baby. This looks so good. Oh, hey, girlfriend. You watch it. What's your name, darling?
Wake up.
Where?
St. Pete.
Oh, so we got a lot of St. Pete. Is that good? Okay.
Hi.
And what's your name, darling?
Bagel.
Where you from?
Pinellas Park.
Pinellas Park. All right, hang on. Come here, sweetie. Come on up here. What's your name? Where you from? Oh, that felt really good. I like that. Ooh. Okay. Come here, sweetie. Oh, look at this. Give us a spin, sweetie. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Okay, what's your name, darling?
Hi, my name's Barb. I'm from St. Pete.
St. Pete. Okay, wow. We got a lot of St. Pete. That's good. Oh, look at these. Oh. Okay. What's your name, dear?
Madison.
Where you from?
Born and raised Florida girl.
Yeah, well, where are you from? What city?
I'm from St. Pete.
Oh, God. Okay. Come here, baby. Oh, look, she got some too right up here. What's your name?
Dale.
Dale, where are you from? Clearwater. Oh, we got Clearwater. That's good. That's very good. Oh, Mama, come up here with me. Oh, what's your name, honey?
Cheryl.
Where you from?
Northeast St. Pete.
Northeast St. Pete. Okay, let's go. Oh, you don't want to like. Oh, baby. Okay, well, we can come back here. Come here, sweetie. Oh, look at. Oh. What's your name, darling?
Tina.
Where you from?
Clearwater.
All right, that's good. We got a lot of more Clearwater. Anybody from further north? Well, yeah, we went. Oh, that's south. I'm sorry, that was south. Where you from, honey?
St. Pete.
All right, what's your name?
Holly.
Holly. Ooh, I like that. Oh, come here. You know what you look like? After I've had my monthly. All right, that's okay. That's all right. What's your name? And where are you from? From Deer. Oh, okay, that's good. We like that. Let me step over here. Come here. Everybody just scoot down. I know you like this, but just scoot down. All right, come on up here, baby. Oh. You look like you come from my old man, wherever he was. All right, what's your name? That feels good. Where are you from? Okay, all right. What'd she say? I have no idea. Brains. Okay. Come here, baby. Come on up here. All right. You look like you should be on a motorcycle. Where are you from? PP, baby. All right. What's your name? Angie. All right. That's a good song too. Come on up here, young lady. Oh, you look like a little angel. You're making me a little bit jealous. All right. What's your name? Pixie. Where are you from?
Clearwater.
Clearwater. All right. We got one more. All right. Hang on. Come up here, darling. Nobody can see you back there. You're hiding. Don't hide, baby. Come here. Come here. What's your name? Lauren. Where are you from, honey?
Wherever you want me to be from.
Alright, we're done here. Okay, we're done here. Alright, give it up. Give it up for the girls. Alright. Did I miss you, dear? Okay, I got you. Alright, Randy, how do you want me to do? You want to finish, honey? Do you want... Randy, did I ever show you where the horse bit me?
Yeah, right there. Come on. Hold that 50 for a minute. It's wadded up. It's right by my left. There it is, right there. All right, everybody, this is going to be hard to do. These balls are killing me. Actually, I think this is hard. This is going to be really hard to do. Y'all better get loud for the one you... I like these. Look, it actually works. Come out here for a minute. Honey, you'd have bigger eyes if you saw Dr. Janko. Did I say that? I'm sorry. And who are you tonight? Witch. You're the witch. Sexy witch, too, by the way. You're just the wolf.
I'm Miss Bagel.
Miss Bagel. I liked it. She'll give you a checkup and lick you from the front to the back. I like that one. And we know who she is. And what are you? And look out.
Little Miss Riding Hood.
Miss Horny Riding Hood. You're a good witch. Look at this good witch.
Sexy vampire.
Sexy vampire.
Creamy genie.
Creamy genie. Well, you know you're going to have to change the sheets after going out with that one. And you. Queen of Hearts. And you broke quite a few, I'm sure. I know. Mary.
I'm the one bringing your drinks.
Hey, you're the witch pouring your drinks. I know, everybody's got to get loud for the one they want. Look at the Hulk over here. Damn. Get loud as soon as Shanae puts it up there. You ready? Here it goes. Shanae, do that one more time, because I got 3 of them that sound about the same. Do that one more time. Everybody, take your time this time, because we got a little screwed up between number 1 and number 2 here a little bit. Ready? Let's do it one more time. Riding Hood. So I think we're down to, come here, Shanae. I can't believe my brother come all the way from Spring Hill down here to win this night. Alright, so 1, 2, and 4, you stay. So our little lamb's got to go. Give it up for the lamb. Give it up for handcuffs. And give it up for our duck. Or our penguin. Alright, we're down. I know. I'm sorry. I wish I had $100 for all of them. Here we go. Ready? Shanae, do it again. I like the wolf. Alright, so we're down to 1 and 3 now. Here we go. Thank you, little Red Robin Hood. Alright, we're down to these 2 girls here. I think they should just have foreplay right now. No, just kidding. Don't tell the kids what that means, alright? Here we go. We're down. Oh, look at these. Alright, you're down to the last 2. $50 bill, girls. We can do a couple things. 1 or 2. We can do a split, or we're going to go for the top notch. Here we go. Nah, I think they want to go for the number 1. And how about number 1? Shanae says number 1's got it. Congratulations, Amy. Oh, you gotta get it. Hold your 50 up. Come on, there you go. Good job, girl. All right, we got to put Richard. Turn around, brother. He is the holy shit.
Holy shit!
And we all know Sal. He's the horny.
Salvatore Michelangelo Galashimo Esquire.
Oh, look at this guy. I don't think you need, you know, this goes, I love all you girls. I would touch your fluff, but I think I get sticky. And who,
I gotta go to bed.
this is Gene from Pinellas Park, the Green Whooper. And who do we have here?
Neil.
From Clearwater. What are you doing up here? We already had the kids contest, but you look good anyway. What's your name?
Lucas from Dunedin.